Pause Airbnb advertisement. Hey guys, doing alright? Leonardo Paiva back again with more videos. In this video I show step by step how to pause an ad you created here on the website on the computer, okay? I do this process on the Airbnb website. Do you like videos of this type? There are other related videos on the channel already. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like. I'm always making videos to help you. So let's go guys. I'm already logged into my account. And you're going to click up here on your profile picture or the first initial of your name if you still don't have a picture, and there's going to be an option here guys to edit ads. You're going to click on edit ads. Just click up here on ads. It's going to be on today, then a calendar will pop up and it's going to be here what you want, ads up here, and your active ads will appear. Just click here guys above the ad. It'll show all the information about your ad, photos, so it's all down here. How do I pause it? You're going to come here guys, and you're going to click here on this icon. It's going to be as announced status or active status. Just click on it and it's going to click guys on unannounced. So it's going to ask you here if you're taking a break from hosting. If there's some specific date that you don't want to announce, just choose dates here. In this video, I show you all the steps to choose dates that you don't want to announce. If you have any doubts about this, I'll leave the video link on the card now with all the complete steps. If you don't want to choose any date, and you're really stopping announcing, just click down here on Stop Advertising for now. You're going to put a reason here why you don't want to advertise anymore. Then you're going to click down here on Stop Advertising. Then your ad will be paused, not announced. If you want to come back again, you just click here on Ad Status. Click on Advertise to activate your ad again. Just click here to advertise your space. In this video, you learned how to deactivate and activate the listing on Airbnb. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm going to stay here. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.